Hi, this is a tutorial on how to launch the Nursing VR Escape Room app and how to cast your Oculus to another display. So to launch the app, go to Apps, and then on this menu at the top right, scroll down to Unknown Sources, and then click Nurses Escape Single Player. Then here we are. So to cast it to another display, hold down the Oculus button to launch the menu, the Oculus main menu, click on the pink sharing arrow, then click Cast. Then select your device, either an app logged into the same Facebook account, a web page logged into the same Facebook account, or another device if it shows up here, such as a Chromecast once we get them set up. Then, once that's done, make sure to press the Oculus button again to close the menu before giving it back to the player. And there you go. Now we'll go over some troubleshooting tips. When you're casting, if casting to a computer app doesn't work, try reloading the web page or rebooting the app. If that doesn't work, try rebooting the headset. Also, make sure that they are on the same internet connection. Sometimes when you start casting, the headset will get really choppy and laggy. And if that happens and it doesn't go away after like 10 seconds, reboot the headset. Another thing, if unknown sources does not appear here, that means that the headset for some reason has been kicked out of developer mode. Sometimes this happens randomly. To fix it, you'll need to go into the app on the smartphone paired to this headset and re-enable developer mode. And that should be everything. So now you know how to launch the app.